Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today we have this Honda Civic 1.5 VTEC Turbo in stock for you. It's a really nice car, came off a single owner as well. In this video I'll be walking you around the car, showing you any wear and tear done by the previous owner and all the features on it. To start off with, we got these LED headlamps which are automatic. You have these LED side markers as well, along with front and rear parking sensors and LED fog light. Really nice. Coming to the left hand side of the car, we've got 17-inch alloy wheels, diamond cut in gloss black. Really nice. We've got the black accent on the car all over. We do have side skirts as well, which is finished in black. Rear privacy glass, which is nice. It's the second alloy there. As you can see on the left hand side, the body works really nice and tidy, shiny as well. On the rear, we got rear parking sensors, LED tail lamps. You do have reverse camera, parking sensors, and a dual exhaust, being a sports variant, which is really nice. I'll show you the boot space on this car. As you can imagine, really big boot space on the Civic. The seats do fold down all the way, 60-40 split setting. You do have a spare wheel run by a previous owner. You have a retractable partial shelf, along with the secondary shelf up there, which is nice. And that's your reverse camera there. Right, coming to the right hand side of the car, that's the third alloy. As you can see, the body works really nice and tidy, no scratches or dents, anything which is visible to a naked eye. The inside, you got suede interior, all four automatic windows as well. The wing mirrors do fold, and that's your last alloy. Nice and tidy, not been scoped or anything. And your side markers there. Go to the interior, you got your window settings up here, locking system. The side mirrors do fold down all the way, and the electric adjustable. They're heated as well. You got a nice driver seats which nicely tucked you in. Down here we got vehicle stability, your parking sensors. You do have collision mitigation braking system, and also lane departure assist, along with your headlight washer, which is really nice. Got a LED display for the driver. So as you can see, the car's done 18,687 miles, which is nothing for a Civic. You do have multifunction steering wheel, which is nice. You do have auto headlights, auto rain sensing wipers. Also, you do have Bluetooth hands-free function on the left hand side, and the right hand side you do have adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist, which is nice. Down here we got your TFT screen with navigation as standard, which is very responsive, which is nice. Touchscreen up there. You do have FM, AM, DAB, Bluetooth hands-free, like I said. Also, alternately, you do get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You just have to plug it in down there. Some storage space up here. Your 6-speed manual gearbox. You got auto on and off, brake hold, parking brake there, and in ECON Mode. Show you the reverse camera on this car. Does have 3 modes on setting. You got ultra wide, wide, and just top down view, which is nice. So yeah, the car is here with us. We live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.